Okay guys, so this is my garden that I'm building. So if you look at the back, you'll see I have a log. I actually have logs on both sides. And I'm using recycled 4x4s to make my gate. So bringing you guys in, you'll see I have actually put spikes down into the pieces of wood, logs, that I have used. And this is just to make sure that they don't move. So, on that, if you guys look really closely, you can see I've dug down into my ground and I've put 2 4x4s to secure it, and I've built the sides with the rot board on top. I'll probably have to replace that in about 2, maybe 3 years, all depending on how bad it gets. And if you look right there, you'll see that is a connector that I'm going to use to run wire across my entrance. And this right here, give me a second, that right there is a picture of my entrance going right in. So in this garden I have a blueberry tree, which is right there. I don't know if you guys can really see it. Right there, that's my blueberry tree, and it's looking really nice. And then all around I've got other plants, and that put in irises and mainly irises and all that. And as you can see, I've done holes for all the irises and that all the way around. And yes, that is a plastic wrap on the bottom, and I'm doing that so that it'll help keep the ground moist, and the mulch will be going on top. Well, until I get putting the chains on, okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, I have finished this garden by putting mulch and putting a fence up. If you guys want to take a look, bring it in, you guys will see I have done a fence using 4x4s, 1x4s, and cable on both sides, just to give it a good finished look. And as we come in here, you'll see it's all been mulched and that if you look close enough, you'll see I've ran irrigation lines to every plant, including my blueberry tree. So hopefully by end of year that'll be good, and I'll be producing blueberries next year. Until next time, have fun. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, I have also completed this garden using mulch. I've put irises and hostas in here, and a bleeding heart right there. As you guys can see, I've ran irrigation lines too to all my plants, and they're doing really good. I've also ran that big hose to water the outside part of my grass. This was all done. It was actually pretty fun to do. If you guys are ever in the city of Calgary, you can get free mulch from the Calgary East landfill.